So may mga nakalagay na tangke. Hindi ko lang alam kung anong meron dyan sa mga tangke na yan. Ayan o. So hindi ko alam.
Sometimes the place would be like this.
Yeah.
It would be like very like hard to see things.
Yeah.
But that's a good thing because it would be harder for you to get caught.
Yeah.
I always got like the prey roll.
Yeah.
They're actually the teachers were natural disasters. They weren't even like animals.
There's a dog.
The dogs.
Hello.
The dogs. There'll be. So
Anak ko.
I'm enjoying the look of a bird.
Masyadong ano. Okay. It's good. Hello. So yan, may nag-dog walking din. Saan tayo? Diretso? Dito tayo. Oo. Hello. Yeah, may mga nakakasabayan din kaming naglalakad. Nagano din siya ng aso. Hello mga kanoypi. Panibagong araw. Panibago na namang hamon sa buhay. Ngayon ay lalabas ulit kaming mag-anak. Ito mga kanoypi, merong palabas dito. May mga time na naglalabas sila ng mga free movies. Ayan, makikita nyo. Free. So, free movies in the parks. So, yan, a Minecraft movie. At ito ay mangyayari bukas yan, February 27, sa may Greenslade Reserve. Mag-uumpisa yan ng 7:30 ng hapon for entertainment from 5:30. So, ayan, kalagay, movies in the parks, Auckland Council events. So, sa mga hindi nakakala mga kanoypi, kami ayan dito sa Auckland, New Zealand. So, yan ang pinaka-city namin dito. Ayan. So, ayan. Medyo bilis-bilisan natin maglakad kasi naiiwan na tayo. Ayan mga kanoypi, nahabol natin sila. Ayan. So, malaki na ang aking mga anak, kaya mas matangkad na sila sa aking asawa. Kumbaga, yung pinakabunso namin ngayon ay yung nanay na nila. So, ayan mga kanoypi, ang aking tatlong mga mahalalagang tao sa buhay. Ayan, no. Kulit ng bunso, nakasama na. Ayan. Ang mga mahalagang tao sa buhay ni Noipi. Malalaman nyo talaga na nasa New Zealand tayo. Gawa na yan, no? One ring to rule them all. Yan yung galing yan sa movie na The Lord of the Rings. Ayan. Meron tayong nakasabayan dito na nag-jogging din. Siya nag-jogging, kami naglalakad lang. Yan mga kanoypi yung aking mga anak. Kanya lang talaga yan sila. Sobrang malapit sa isa't isa. Saka maswerte ako sa mga batang ito dahil hindi sila pala-away, hindi kaya nag-aaway. Lagi lang nagtatawanan, naglalaro, pintuhan tungkol sa kanilang laro, mga ganun-ganun lang na bagay. Kaya napakalaking kaligayahan ng magulang. Ganda ng ngiti ng aking palalab, mga kanoypi. At may cute kaming kasama sa likod, oh. Maligalig. Kasama na si Maligalig. Ayan, ganyan lang yan sila. Ganyan lang yung aming mga bulinggit. Ayan.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
So meron din nagano doon sa kabila. Nagsi-cellphone din. Baka nagano yan, nagba-vlog din yan mga Kanoy P. Paki-subscribe niyo na rin.
Hi, my name is Epstein.
sabay sabay takbo.
Tawang-tawa sa sarili.
Tawang-tawa sa ginagawa niya. Dati nabanggit ko sa inyo na merong food trailer dito na hindi nagtitinda noong mga time na yung una naming pagpunta dito. So ngayon, ayan. Andyan na sila, bumalik na. Ayan, may customer. Ayan. So ayan. Andyan din ang isa pang food trailer. Ayan. Ayan o, busy silang magluto. Yan. So dito tayo magpupwesto din. Ngayon mga Kanoy P, dito tayo papasok. Dito tayo sa loob. Tapos, kita nyo mga ginagawa ng ating mga anak. Yan. Yan, tapos yan. Yan, so tayo naman. Yes. Naiiwan na yung aming panganay. Andun pa na sa taas. Ayan, tumatakbo. So ito yung nature walk na ginagawa natin ngayon. Kung maririnig nyo, ang daming mga tumutunog na kuliglig at saka mga ibon. Ang dami. Yan. So maganda talaga maglakad dito kasi napaka-safe maglakad. Ayan, oh. Kita nyo yan. So yan, napakaganda ng lalakaran. Yan, pababa tayo doon. Kung makikita nyo dyan sa video, hindi ko na alam kung makikita kasi baka natatakpan. Pero ito, yan, ito yung mga dinadaanan na gano'n, naglalakad dito. Gusto mong malayo ka sa mga sasakyan, dito ka. So yan. So gusto niyang isprayhan yung aking kamay kasi nangihina ako, so kailangan kong umihi. Itong anak ko. Masyadong Okay. Hello. So yan, may nag-dog walking din. Saan tayo? Diretso? Dito tayo. No? Hello. Kaya may mga nakakasabayan din kaming naglalakad. Gano din siya ng aso. Napaka-relaxing yung ginagawang mga ganitong lakad ba? Napaka-relaxing.
Maybe from, I don't know.
Wild. New Zealand.
This place here?
Zealand Lady
This?
Park.
This here?
Which one?
This place? You might. Ugh. Just say. Doggy. I don't like bugs. I like birds. What's that say about it? This place reminds me of camp in year 8.
Year 8.
Yeah.
Sergio, you're doing some stuff like this as well.
Except you're running and imagine it's like tag, but except you're in on an island.
Right.
Actual island. Big island, and you'll find specific things.
Yeah.
There's like this paper, and you have to get a specific code. You can't just like slam one code multiple times because you like think to get how to code.
Right.
Like imagine this was bigger, and that's how I lost a lot of my teeth. I went in a lot of like
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's nice.
yeah,
So you love it?
yeah, I do.
I like this one. It's pure relaxing.
Look at that.
Look at the view.
Imagine this was not relaxing. At the same time, you feel very happy. And when I was there, it was like the place was really nice.
Yeah.
Lots of open spaces without the bad thing because you didn't want the predators to get you. But predators were also like your teeth on the island.
Yeah, yeah.
And,
Well, luckily in New Zealand, there's no predators.
yeah,
Unlike in the Philippines, there's so many snakes.
we are a predator.
We are the predators here.
Actually, if you think about it, the actual predators are the kiwi birds. And the insects are prey.
Yeah, but the kiwi birds are very like friendly. They're even nocturnal and they only eat bugs. So they're very.
Chillest predators you'll ever
You can consider them as predators. I think your brother is fooling us.
Oh yeah. Yeah,
Here's your brother.
I remember.
Yeah, we're taking too long.
I remember when I was walking in. Of course it is. What's that thing?
So may mga nakalagay na tangke. Hindi ko lang alam kung anong meron dyan sa mga tangke na yan. Ayan o. So, hindi ko alam.
Sometimes the place would be like this.
Yeah.
It would be like very like hard to see things.
Yeah.
So that's a good thing because it would be harder for you to get caught.
Yeah.
I always get like the prey roll.
Yeah.
They're actually the teachers were natural disasters. They weren't even like animals.
Now there's the dog.
No.
Hello.
No. There'll be so there are like rolls, and those
Yeah.
rolls will be randomized. I always got like herbivore rolls, lower ones. There was a ranking system where if you're on the lowest, then you get attacked by everything.
Uh-huh.
Then you're above it, where predators, like forgot.
Mm-hmm.
But then up above those predators were more herbivores, which cannot be eaten by the lower carnivores.
I prefer to be a herbivore than being a carnivore.
Then the
I like vegetables.
then the carnivore above will herbivores rank.
Yeah.
Most ones above would attack those ones, and anything below it. And then above those carnivores were the humans. There's only one human about the teacher. And then the rest, even higher than humans were at the top. Below the humans were natural disasters. natural disasters, they cannot be attacked by anything, and they will attack you, they spot you. That's not good for you. The human is basically the eye of death. If it sees you, it says your name, and it says shoot you. Not actually shooting you.
Yeah.
You must come to the teacher, and you must give the teacher your health points. You have health points, and most health points are like this vest. You that. Herbivores, they have a green vest.
Yeah.
They have their image of what they are.
Yeah.
I remember I was I forgot, like some rabbit, I think.
Yeah.
One of the little sea lowers. And but because I was green, I could blend in more. They never feel green. While carnivores, they can be seen easier because their vest is red.
Yeah.
They had red health points.
Yeah.
And herbivores had green ones. So the herbivore was tagged by a carnivore, then they have to lose their health points.
Right.
There are a specific amount of health points as well, but I don't remember those anymore.
Yeah.
It's really complicated, but it's fun. And yeah, natural disaster also puts your health points. Natural disaster. I don't think teachers could attack natural disasters, but they're just tired. Because like they can, like, as soon as they see you, you're dead. So you just have to, like, whenever I saw a human, I always like
Oh,
It's-
I think we can see that.
cricket.
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw it in my room.
There it is.
Where? I don't see it.
There it is. Look at the video.
Oh,
There it is. See, it's very clear. That's the one that's causing noise. Okay. Just music of the nature, right?
why do I even do that?
That's their nature.
They just do?
Yeah, they just do it.
I don't think they're really smart.
They-
This one?
They're actually annoying when you're sleeping, but they are like music to your ears when you are walking like this. So that's so noisy.
Yeah.
But yeah,
I remember
I
when
love noises in the forest, like in
I love
the
noise.
nature sounds.
I like sleeping with noise.
Right, it's getting darker, so yan mga kanoipit. Uuwi na kami. Kung naririnig nyo, sobrang daldal na pagana ito talaga ang pinakamadaldal na anak. Kaya nakakatuwa siyang kausap. Itong bunso naman namin, ano lang yan. Ayan, parang tinitimbang-timbang niya lang yung mga bagay-bagay. Pero pag silang dalawa lang nag-uusap, meron na yan. Hindi mag-best friend to mga to eh. Ha? Look at me, best friend. Ay, Diyos. At kung bago lang kayo sa channel na ito, mga kanilin, huwag kong kalimutan na mag-like ang ating video, subscribe ang ating channel, at mag-iwan kayo ng inyong baka sa ating comment section. Ay, iwan ang inyong mga komento at puro-puro. Lalo na huwag niyong kalimutan click ang ating notification bells para nang sa ganun ay palagi tayong updated sa ating mga susunod na video. Kala nyo tapos na yung video natin, no? Pero ito, pumunta kami dito sa trabaho ni Mrs. Order kami ng pagkain ng mga bata. So, yan, kasi promise namin yan sa kanila na dadalhin sila dito. So, yan mga kanuiping at kasama. Kaluto.
I played it happen. Like it has its own way. Turn.